Yo, how would you like me to guarantee you 5 to 15 motivated seller leads in just 1 week? Yo, what's going on, everyone? Mike Hill, the Wholesaling Titan here, and I am super excited to invite you to a very special training that I'm hosting, my 5-day lead challenge, where I'm going to be going live with you every single day for 5 days, walking you through step-by-step exercises to guarantee you 5 to 15 motivated seller leads in just 1 week. Now, with a very average wholesale deal netting $10,000 or more in profit, wholesaling can be an incredibly lucrative business. I've done deals. I got the HUD statements. I've got students who have done deals, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. I got a student who has done the highest so far, $55,000 on a wholesale deal, no money down. So lucrative business, but it all starts with finding great real estate deals. So follow along with me. I'm going to be showing you exactly how we do it. In fact, we're going to be doing this stuff together, right? So I'm going to teach you the foundations of prospecting, how and where to find deals, how to make contact with the sellers. I'm going to be giving you homework. I'm going to be giving you marketing materials and materials to work with. And I'm going to be taking your questions live. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to do all of this even if you have little to no money for marketing. And as many of you know, like, that's kind of my story, right? I started this business back in 2012 where I was working a dead-end job, working overtime, but somehow still living paycheck to paycheck. And wholesaling really was the business that set me free. I did my very first deal without spending a penny. It was not easy. Truth be told, it was not easy at first, but throughout this journey over the last decade of my life, I've learned the most common pitfalls. I've done the coaching. I know how to absolutely shorten that learning curve for you and how to get that next deal as fast as possible. So whether you're brand new or maybe you've got some deals under your belt, you're going to learn how to always keep your pipeline full. And again, I'm going to show you how to do that next deal as fast as possible. So scroll down below to learn more about this live results-oriented challenge, how it works, what's included, and then click the Join Now button to get started so we can get you some motivated seller leads that you can flip for 5-figure profits, again, even without cash, without credit, and without experience. So, guys, this business is real, man. Imagine that, like 4 to 6 weeks from now, you're depositing $10,000 in your bank account. Happened for me. It's happened for my students. And then I'm going to show you how to replicate that process so you can do it every month. It is relatively simple, but you just have to know how to do it right. Then you got to do it consistently, right? So click the button below or click the link below, and I'm going to show you how this stuff is all done. If you can't tell, I'm really excited to do this. Never done this before. So click that link, and I will see you guys on the training. Can't wait. I will talk to you guys soon. Click the link, sign up. Talk to you later.